Today we will continue exercise 16A, chapter area of circle, sector and segment. Question number 25. We will start our video with question number 25. Okay. So in question number 25, the question says 4 cows are tethered at the 4 corners of a square field of side 50 meters such that each can graze the maximum unshared area. What will be left ungrazed? Okay. So if we draw the diagram, then our idea would be clear. Suppose this is the square field whose sides are 50 meter in length. Okay, so right now the 4 cows are tethered into 4 corners and they are tethered like this. Okay, I am trying to draw it will like this, almost like this. Okay, so right now that means this. So and maximum unshared area, maximum unshared. So maximum unshared means, here you need to understand, maximum unshared means a cow can be tethered like this way from this corner to this, but then 4 cows can be, then it will, see, if I do that, the diagram will be like this. Okay, then for this cow this, for this cow this is, and for this cow this is. So then everybody crosses each other, everybody's field is crossed by each other. So that means unshared area, there will be very less unshared area. So this can't be, this is our right figure. Okay, so that means the unshared area, the tethered area, the radius of this is half of 50 meter. Okay, so that means 25 meter. So that means 25 meter. Okay, so we need to determine the area of this is the unshared portion, this. Okay, so to do that, so ungrazed area equals to shaded area. Okay, so to determine this shaded area, first we need to determine the area of this square, then we need to determine the area of this quadrant. Okay, and if we subtract the area of the quadrant from this whole square area, then we can determine our wanted value. Okay, so ungrazed area is equals to shaded area is equals to 50 into 50 minus 4 into pi into 25 whole square into 90 by 360. Why it is like this? Because this is the area of the square field and this is the area of this quadrant, of a single quadrant, that is pi r square into the angle 90 degree. It is angle of a square is 90 degree by 360, and since 4 quadrants are there, so 4 or sectors are there, so it is 4. Okay, so 50 into 50 is 2500 minus, if we just do this, then it is 4. Okay, then pi r square, value of pi is 3.14 and 25 square is 625. Okay, so 625 into 3.14, if we calculate it, it will be 1962.5. I have calculated in rough. Okay, you should calculate it. So the result is 537.5 meters square. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so this is our answer. So I hope you have understood. This much portion area is being left ungrazed. Next is question number 27. Next, question number 27. In question number 27, the side of a square is 10 centimeter. Find the area of inscribed circle and the area of the circumscribed circle. Okay. So let us determine. First we will draw the diagram. This is the square. Okay. So inscribed circle means the circle inside we it. This is the inscribed circle. Here you can see the diameter of the circle is the length equal to the length of the square, and the circumscribed circle, that is the diameter of that is the diagonal of the circle. Okay. So for that, then we will write that diameter of the inscribed circle is equals to side of the square. Side of the square equals to 10 centimeter. Okay. So 10 centimeter it is. So therefore radius of the inscribed circle. So therefore radius of the inscribed circle is equals to half into 10, that is 5 centimeter. Okay. So the area of the inscribed circle, that we want to know. So therefore area of inscribed circle equals to pi r square. So I am taking the value of pi that is given in the question is 3.14. Okay. So 3.14 into 5 into 5. Okay, that is 3.14 into 25. So the result is 78.5 centimeter square. Okay. So area of the inscribed circle is 78.5 centimeter square. Okay. Next we will determine the area of the circumscribed circle. To determine the circumscribed circle, while we are drawing the diagram, we came to know that diameter of the circumscribed circle is equals to diagonal of the square. Okay. So that is equals to diagonal of the square is root 2 into 10 centimeter. So that is 10 root 2 centimeter. Okay. So therefore radius of the circumscribed circle is equals to half into 10 root 2, that is 5 root 2 centimeter. Okay. So that is 5 root 2 centimeter. So therefore area of the circumscribed circle is equals to pi r square. So in spite of pi, we are writing 3.14 into 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. Now root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay. So 3.14 into 5 into 5 into 2. Now 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into this is equals to 5 fours are 20. But this is 10, so decimal will be here. So 157 centimeters square. Okay. So we will write finally the answer. Answer for 1 is area of inscribed circle. Area for inscribed circle is 78.5 centimeters square, and number 2, area of circumscribed circle is 157 centimeter square. Okay. So we are going to move to the next question. Next question is question number 29. So question number 29. Okay. Question number 29. Let's read it out. The area of circle inscribed in an equilateral triangle is 154 centimeters square. Find the perimeter of the triangle. The area of a circle inscribed in an equilateral triangle is 154 centimeters square. Find the perimeter of the triangle. So let's draw the diagram. Here the circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle. So this is our equilateral triangle and this is the circle that is inscribed in the triangle. Okay. So this is, let the triangle name is ABC and its length is A. Okay. And let this is the midpoint. So this is A by 2. This is also A by 2. Okay. And this is the center of the circle and this is the height of the triangle. Let the name of the center is O. Okay. And let AO equals to H and O, let this name as D. So OD equals to small r. Okay. So let the radius of the incircle, let the radius of the incircle is r. Okay, r centimeter. So therefore the now incircle, this is now according to the question, the area of the circle is equals to pi r square equals to 157 or pi r square. So that means r square is equal to 157 into 7 by 22, or r will be equals to sorry, this is 154, so this is 7, so 7 centimeter. Okay. So then let each of the triangle be a centimeter. Let the each of the side of equilateral triangle is a centimeter, okay, and its height be 8 centimeter, and its height be 8 centimeter. So let here this will be AD, okay. So therefore AD equals to 8 centimeter, or R equals to H by 3 centimeter, okay. There is a theory that the center, in case of this, that the center divides it into 2:1 ratio, okay. So or H equals to 3, R equals to 3 into 7 equals to 21 centimeter. So therefore H equals to root under a square minus a square by 4. This is the formula for equilateral triangle, isn't it? So here this is equals to 21, or a square minus a square by 4 is equal to 21 square equals to 21 square, okay. So this is 3a square by 4, this is 3a square by 4 equals to 21 square, or if we get it root, then root 3a by 2 is equal to 21, or a is equal to 42 by root 3. So that is 42 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3. So that is 14 root 3 centimeter, okay. So 14 root 3 centimeter. Now we need to determine the perimeter of the triangle. So therefore perimeter of equilateral triangle is equals to 3a, this is equals to 3 into 14 root 3, 42 root 3 centimeter, okay. Next question is question number 31, okay. Two wheels, the wheels of the locomotive of a train are 2.1 meter in radius. They make 75 revolution in 1 minute. Find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour, okay. So first we will determine the circumference of the wheel, okay. So circumference of wheel is equals to, circumference of wheel is 2 pi r, formula is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7, r is 42 centimeter, okay. So if we calculate, let us calculate this. Sorry, not 2 pi 42, it is 2.1 meter is given. I am looking at another question. 2.1 meter, okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1, meter. So if I do this, it will be like this, 66 by 5 meter. Okay, this is 66 by 5 meter. So 66 by 5 meter, distance covered in 60 minutes. Distance covered in 60 minutes. See, if this is the wheel, okay, if it totally round one revolution, it will cover only its circumference equals to the distance covered by its one revolution is by the perimeter, means the circumference of this wheel. Okay, so that means circumference, whatever this in one revolution it does 75 revolution in an hour. Okay, so we will determine in an hour 60 minutes is there. So 66 by 5 into 75 into 60, in a minute it does the 75 revolution. So you will determine how much. So 66 into 75 into 12, 66 into 75 into 12. Okay, so therefore speed equals to 66 into 75. Here we are not going to multiply it, just keep it as it. Okay, so 66 into 75 into 12 into 1 by 1000 kilometer per hour. Okay, why 1 by 1000? It is meter, we need to determine its kmph, that is kilometer per hour. Okay, 12 into 75 is 900, 900 into 66 is 59,400 into 1 by 1000. Okay, so this will be 59.4 kilometer per hour. This is our answer for question number 31. So in this video lesson, up to this, in our next video lesson we will solve some more questions. Thank you, students.